Number one, nasal congestion, right? So think about those days that you had a cold, a flu, or some allergies, and your nose was stuffed up and you couldn't breathe, right? And so that causes you to breathe with your mouth open, and that could cause snoring sounds when you lay down to sleep. Now, this typically resolves when you feel better, and so not so much of a concern, but does happen when you're congested. Number two, obesity. So this is the big one, right? As we gain weight, as we increase in size,